Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ear waxing kit is probably one of the most effective and convenient ways to remove unwanted ear hair, offering a longer-lasting solution compared to trimming and providing a cleaner, more polished look. This video will take an in-depth look at what makes a great ear waxing kit, helping you choose the best one to suit your needs and preferences, ensuring a comfortable and effective hair removal experience. Number 5. Kenashii Nose Wax Kit. Introducing the Kenashii Nose Wax Kit, your solution for fast and effective hair removal. It's designed for both men and women, providing a painless and long-lasting result. Unlike plucking, this kit provides a much less painful experience. Most users find it far more effective, with results lasting up to 5 weeks. It comes with everything you need: 100 g of wax, 24 applicators, soothing balm wipes, and mustache guards. You'll also receive a handy cotton bag for storage. This versatile kit isn't just for nose hairs. It's also suitable for removing hair from your ears, offering a comprehensive solution for unwanted facial and ear hair. The hypoallergenic wax is specially formulated to be gentle on your skin. It won't dry out or break, ensuring a smooth and comfortable waxing experience. The kit includes 24 specially designed applicators to help you target unwanted hairs precisely, while protecting your friendly nasal hairs. What we like. It's quick and painless, and the results last for up to 5 weeks. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution to ear and nose hair, this is the one for you. Its unique formula ensures a comfortable experience, making it perfect for sensitive skin. What people say. Kenashii provides everything you need: the cup of wax, don't forget to nuke it on 50% power, y'all, the sticks, some post-waxing balm wipes, the gently adhesive mustache covers, the cotton bag, and the instructions. The instructions on this are pretty funny to read and are actually written in proper English, so this is actually a good quality product from a Japanese company and not some online marketplace special. Works well, pretty easy to get a feel for. Number 4. Nose Wax Kit. Introducing our easy-to-use nose wax kit. It's fast, painless, and gets rid of those pesky hairs quickly and effectively. Simply heat the wax in a microwave or hot water, apply it with the provided applicators, and remove. It's that simple. Unlike plucking, waxing is less painful and more effective. Most users find it virtually painless. It removes hair from the root, resulting in smooth skin for up to 6 weeks. Regrowth is also thinner and less noticeable. This kit provides multiple uses, saving you money and time compared to salon visits. You only need to wax once a month or so. Everything you need is included: wax beads, applicators, cups, and even mustache protectors. It's a complete, ready-to-use kit. The hypoallergenic wax beads are suitable for all skin types, ensuring a comfortable and safe experience. What we like. This kit is incredibly easy to use, with plenty of applicators included. If you want a simple and effective way to remove ear and nose hair, this is a great choice. The multiple applicators mean you'll have enough for many uses. What people say. The first thing I was struck by was that it seemed a lot easier to use than I expected. It's only like a 5.5-step process. The wax plug had grabbed, held onto, and then unceremoniously uprooted every single strand of hair that had previously plagued me. Using this on my ears worked very well, not as good as the nostrils but still worth doing. Number 3. CoFashion Nose Wax Kit. This kit makes nose hair removal quick and painless. It's easy to use and provides long-lasting results. The specially designed applicators make it simple to target only visible hairs, leaving the important inner hairs undisturbed. Enjoy a quick and efficient hair removal process. With 100 g of wax and 30 applicators, this kit provides many uses. You'll get smooth results for months, making it a great value. Our naturally formulated wax is gentle on your skin and provides a painless hair removal experience. It's safe and effective for both men and women. Everything you need is included: wax beads, applicators, a silicone cup, and even mustache stencils. It's perfect for a convenient at-home salon experience. This kit makes a thoughtful and practical gift for any occasion. Give the gift of smooth, confident results. What we like. It's designed for a painless and safe hair removal experience. If you prioritize a gentle approach, this kit is perfect for you. The long-lasting results mean less frequent maintenance. What people say. The wax is easy to heat up in the little silicone cup, and the applicators make it foolproof. I was a bit nervous about the painless claim, but honestly, it didn't hurt at all. The wax grabs the hair, not the skin, so it's quick and over before you know it. After using this, my nose feels so much cleaner, and the results last way longer than trimming. I've already gotten a few uses out of it, and there's still plenty of wax left, so it's definitely worth the price. The mustache guards are genius. I didn't even realize I needed them until I saw them in the kit. They kept everything neat, and I didn't have to worry about messing up my facial hair. Number 2. Wokaar Wax Hair Removal Kit. Introducing a revolutionary new way to remove unwanted hair from sensitive areas. It's quick, easy, and provides long-lasting results. This versatile kit is perfect for precise hair removal from your ears, nose, eyebrows, lips, and face. It's gentle yet effective. Most users find the waxing process quick and virtually painless. Experience smooth, hair-free skin with minimal discomfort. It removes hair from the root, giving you smooth skin that lasts for up to 4 to 6 weeks. Regrowth is thinner and less noticeable. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: wax, applicators, earplugs, protective shields, and soothing wipes. Everything for a complete and safe experience. The included earplugs and protective shields prevent small objects from entering your ear canal and protect against wax strips. Your safety is our priority. What we like. This all-in-one kit has everything you need for a quick and painless hair removal experience. If you want a comprehensive solution with added extras like earplugs for protection, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for those who want a thorough and safe hair removal process. What people say. Getting the wax heated was super easy with boiling water. Just wait a couple of minutes for the wax to melt and gently apply the wax on areas where you're looking to remove hair. Wait a few more moments and rip it off. This is easy to use, easy to melt. Wax removes hair good. Easy to use, and gives perfect nose hair removal with no mess. Works much better than plucking or trimming, and doesn't leave behind spiky stubble to irritate. It really isn't painful. Number 1. ANREACHO Nose and Ear Wax Kit. This complete kit has everything you need for easy and effective hair removal, including wax beads, applicators, and cups. It's designed for a quick and painless experience. Say goodbye to unwanted nose and ear hair in seconds. It's a fast and painless way to achieve a clean look, saving you time and effort. The kit uses natural wax beads that melt easily without needing a special heater. It's gentle on sensitive skin, providing a comfortable hair removal experience. This versatile kit is perfect for removing hair from your nose, ears, eyebrows, and more. Enjoy smooth, hair-free skin for up to 3 weeks. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or are unsatisfied for any reason, contact us, and we'll provide a full refund or replacement. What we like. It's easy to use and provides a painless hair removal experience. If you value convenience and long-lasting results, this kit is a great option. The long-lasting results mean you won't have to worry about regrowth for weeks. What people say. Removes hair very well. Super easy to use and very happy with results. Easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.